India is not the world's fourth largest economy anymore. We have officially slipped down to the sixth position. Yes, this has been revealed in latest data released by the IMF. According to them, in 2026, the Indian economy is valued around $4.15 trillion, which is the sixth largest globally. We now fall below UK and Japan after overtaking them in 2022 and 2025 respectively, which the government had widely celebrated. Now, even though overtaking the UK and Japan earlier also didn't mean that our actual economic state or per capita income was ever comparable to these countries, now we've fallen behind them even in terms of total size. Interestingly, our economy's value has fallen to less than Japan's this year, even though Japan's own GDP value has been falling over the last 4 years. So what are the reasons behind India's ranking dropping by 2 points? There are two reasons. First, the IMF calculates these ranks by taking each country's GDP in their local currency and then converting it to the dollar, so that all countries can be compared on the same scale. And our currency, the rupee, has fallen by almost 9% in just the last 1 year. It's at a record low currently, and it's the worst performing major currency in Asia. So the rupee falling against the dollar means that our same GDP now translates to a lesser value in dollars. But second, while the rupee's fall is the major reason, there's something else that's making it worse. Turns out, for the last few years, our government was overestimating the value of our GDP using an outdated base year. So we were calculating our real GDP by totaling the value of our goods and services based on the prices in 2011-12, which was our base year. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. Base year or constant prices are taken for real GDP calculation simply to ensure that price rise or inflation over years doesn't make the GDP look bigger than it is. But using a 14-year-old base year is the problem. And when the government updated this base year to 2022 to 23 in February, the GDP value for all the years since 2023 came down. This means that our GDP was actually lower than we thought it was all these years. Now, after this comes the $5 trillion question. The government's target for making India a $5 trillion economy is 2027. If nothing extraordinary happens and the rupee's value stays this low, our economy will have to grow at 20% in the next 1 year to go from $4.15 trillion to $5 trillion. And that's practically impossible. India and most other countries have never seen such a high nominal GDP growth. Even though we're the fastest growing economy globally, our average nominal GDP growth rate has been around 7% over the last decade. So before COVID, the government had said that India will become a $5 trillion economy by 2025. Then they shifted this goalpost to 2027. And if things go how they are, then unfortunately there's a fear that they could miss another target. Share this video with all Indians and follow us for more such honest news analysis that makes you smarter every day.